Hi everyone, my name is Zaratsian. I'm an event and floral designer. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a cranberry wreath. Let's go back into my workshop area and I'm going to show you how it's done. This wreath that I'm going to make for you today is a pre-made wreath that you can see at one of your big department stores like, I'm not going to tell you which one. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to take this base and take a couple of silk blossoms like poinsettias and lilies. These are faux silk product. We're going to cut them up, glue them in there. We're going to fluff it up with some ribbon. And we're going to call it a holiday wreath, a cranberry holiday wreath, and call it a day. It is so simple to do. Simply, I'm going to take these blossoms. These are white poinsettias that have already been flocked and iced. And cut that like this. And you know, Christmas, the white, the red, the green, those are very traditional holiday colors. You can add gold, silver, anything. I fluffed this out somewhat, and I'm going to start with my first gluing of the poinsettia. And I'm going to go in between and make sure my glue is adhered to the wreath. And I'm going to hold it there for a couple of seconds. I'm going to make sure it's completely done. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the poinsettia on the opposite side. I'm going to do that with the other poinsettia, my third poinsettia. See, it's pretty much filled up right now. And we're going to tuck these in. 1, 2, and 3. Hold it in for a little bit. And this is the last one. And I'm using a pan melt glue. You can use a glue gun, a hot glue gun if you like. You can use a cold glue. It's just going to take a little bit longer to dry up when it's a cold glue. So I've got this all in here, like so. Look how simple and easy this looks. And then basically I'm going to take, very, very simply, one loop, loop it around in between the wreath, like so. I'm going to leave tails longer. Just one simple loop like this, cut it, get a piece of wire, like so. And then when you're hanging your wreath, obviously you need to make a little hook in the back. Make sure you don't damage, your door or your walls when you're hanging wreaths. Once I've got that all tied up, I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit. When you're working with product that has glitter, you're gonna be a little sparkly by the end of the project. And then what I'm going to do is I'm tucking it in like so, and I'm going to put the end part of it in here, like so. And you've got a beautiful wreath with cranberries, poinsettias, and some white lilies. Glue them on, put a beautiful ribbon. For more information on my video tutorials, go to my YouTube channel, Zaratsian, and I'll see you next time.